how to add logo to Wix website header. So first, go to your Wix dashboard here, then just click on your edit site at the top right corner. And then after that, it will take you here. Then just click on your header here. Since we'll place our logo at the top, then just click on add elements. After that, just click on image, upload and import, then click on upload images. Then click on this one, upload from computer, and choose your logo. And after that, it will upload here. After uploading it, just click on it, then just click on add to page. And let's just resize it for a bit. So let's say I want to place my logo here. After that, just click on save and continue, and let's just see how it would look like on our website. Click on preview, and yep, now in our preview mode, you can see this is how our logo would look like. And after that, just click on publish. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.